Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So today I've got a rather interesting haul today. I've got something from Hermes, Zara, and I've got a little package there which I received today, and it's a vintage item. So I think I've got something for everyone in this haul. So if you're interested in knowing what's in those two bags and in that package, stay tuned to my channel. So I thought I'll start off with this vintage item. As you can see, it comes from a seller called Love Me Do by Anne, and these are her details here if anyone is interested in. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's got my details on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly open it, and then I'm going to show you the contents of the package. So we've got a really nice I would say like wrapping paper on it, tissue paper, and it's got a note here and it says my name. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope that you are happy with the bag. If so, I would be very grateful if you would be kind enough to leave a positive review on Etsy, which is where I bought it from, for me. Thanks, regards, and Love Me Do. Smiley face. That is so cute. So I'm going to unwrap this, and then we're going to see what's behind this. Some more wrapping, bubble wrap, which is good to protect the bag. Going to reveal the bag in a second. Ta-da! And I have to say that this bag is exactly as I saw it in the picture. Exactly. Let's open the inside. Yep, exactly as I saw it in the picture. No different. And it's by a brand called, let's see if I can get that out. So the label's here, you can't actually see it, but it's by a brand called Go Name, and it's got one pocket here, and then it's just, yep. I have to say I'm really impressed because it's exactly what I saw. You know when you see pictures of items and you're not sure whether you're going to get that exact item, but it's exactly as I saw it on the website in mint condition. I can't even complain. So that is my first vintage item. And I'm going to put all the price details below because I don't want the video to go for too long. So the next two items are in this Zara bag. One I bought today and the other one I bought probably about a month ago. And it's not actually a Zara bag, but I thought I'll just slip it in as a bonus. So I'm going to bring them out of the bags, or rather the bag. So this is the first item. I actually bought this in Forever 21, if I'm right. And it's I know the rage now, it's a belt bag. And I saw it on the website. I was looking for a belt bag. I was actually considering buying a Chanel one, but they're so expensive. So I decided against it. So I decided to look for alternatives. And I actually love this. It's so soft and squidgy. It's beautiful, honestly. And the belt, however, is quite short. I'm just going to take off the belt so you can see what that actually looks like. So that's what the belt looks like from this angle. And this is the bag in its glory. It's got one zip pocket here. That's the receipt. And then, obviously, as usual, it's just one compartment there. And I haven't actually used it. That's the label, Forever 21, and that's where you attach the actual belt. So that's item number one. As I said, it wasn't actually from Zara, but I've had it for a few weeks and I don't believe I've used it. Well, if I haven't used it. So I thought I'll just pop it in there as a bonus reveal. So the next item, as you can see from the receipt, is from Zara. And I saw this on the website probably about a month ago, and they were doing a special introductory offer. So I'm just going to show you something right now. So as you can see, that's priced as $29.99, and on the website it is $19.99, which is how much I actually bought it. Now I know I didn't say I was going to mention. I know I said I was going to mention prices, but I thought I'll mention this as I'm doing the video. And I don't think that this bag is going to be that price for too long, but I think they're trying to get interest into the bag, and therefore it's priced at an introductory price of $19.99, even though the label says $29.99. So I'm assuming it's going to go up in price. It's a wicker kind of style bag. It comes in this color and black. I tried the black. I didn't actually like it. It looks really nice in the picture, but yeah, in real life it doesn't look as great. So see what's inside. So that's the strap. It's got a long strap, which I don't think I'm going to use actually. It's quite thin and flimsy. I'm most likely going to see if I can buy a different strap for it. But yeah, that's it. I think it's really a beautiful bag, and for that price you can't go wrong. And it's got this beautiful handle here, and that's what it looks like at the back. They've got a bigger version but in black. I was thinking of getting that, but I would say to you, if you want to order anything from the website, I would advise you to go in store and view the items, because some of them look bigger than what they actually are. So they're not as they seem as in terms of size. So if you're visualizing what you see on the website, when you see them in real life, some of them are a bit smaller than what you see on the website. And another thing, where if you do decide to buy it in store, I would say go and ask the sales associates for another one if they have them out back in stock. Because one thing I did notice about the ones that are on the shop floor, the hardware was scratched. So I did ask them to look, and they were kind enough to go and look in the stock room. Obviously they're going to check the availability, and they found this one upstairs or downstairs or wherever it was in the stock room. And as you can see, the hardware is perfect. In fact, it came, when she brought it down, it came in a bag. So that's my little cute bag there, and I'm really excited about being able to use that in the summer period. So finally, probably what most of you have been waiting for, is this orange bag. So this is my first item in terms of leather goods in Hermes. I've never bought anything other than perfume, and perfume has been what I bought from them. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this item. So I'll give you history about it as and when I unbox it, but that's just what it looks like, all wrapped up. So this is the item. It was actually repackaged, and I'll go into that towards the end of the video. So let's just do a quick unboxing. I believe I asked them for a gift card, which I'm not going to use, but I just wanted to see if you were to ask for a gift card, what it looked like. So I'm assuming that it's see what this is. I'm not sure what these items are. One of them is my receipt, and one of them is the gift card. I'm not sure which one is which. So let's unbox this. So I've actually seen this item, but I haven't seen it since, obviously, I collected it yesterday. So as you can guess from the box, it's not a bag. Sorry guys. So let's see what this is. So this item is from their Petite H range. If you're not familiar with them, they are items that are made from unused products used to buy bags. So like leather products, silk, all kinds of bits and pieces, and they use them to make other... Sorry, I'm just trying to get this to focus, and it's not. So I'm just going to unwrap it quickly so you can see what it is. I have to say, Hermes do really nice packaging. I don't like the orange. And that is it in the dust bag. And I'm just going to bring it out of the dust bag so that you're not suspended in the air. to reveal. Now you're probably thinking, what the heck is this? And this is actually a coin purse, believe it or not. I thought I'll get a different angle so that you can see how this works. So this is actually a wallet, strangely enough. So this is how it works, and they didn't know how it worked in the store itself. They had to go and ask to figure it out. So you turn it right upside down that way. You put these two through there like that, and I believe that's the bottom. Yes. So like that through there, and then you close it like that. So that's the top. So actually this is the top. Is this the top? I think this is the top, so I've probably done it wrong. Let's have a look. Or maybe not, no. So that's all from here. And then you just put your coins in just like that. And I just thought it's quite unique because it's similar to the bustier. Let's be honest, it's similar to that that style, but it's different. It's unique, and yeah, this particular the Petite H range. See if I can get it to focus. There we are. This particular range, as I said, the items are made from leftovers. So if of material that hasn't been used, so leather, these attachments that are used, all these items that are probably like nails that probably would have been used on items. So these kind of items, all these leftovers are used to make these items, and it's a really, it's become quite an inventive part of Hermes, and they use a lot of different designers to make them. They have a special team that do them, and this is part of the Hermes range that people are not really au fait about. I've been looking on the website. I've been looking for particular items. No, not the Birkin or Kelly, but I've been looking for different types of items on there. You know, something that's unique that somebody doesn't have, and this just. I've been looking at the Bastille, and I always wanted to get one, but you know what? I prefer this. So the price of this will be down below. Just trying to look to see what this is. So this is some paperwork there that came with it. Alright, so my receipt is there. So that's paperwork. And it just tells you about the exchange, and basically this item was bought online. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a different video entirely about that experience, and I'm going to do a different video concerning my experience of buying this. So that's the little card I asked for, and there's a gift card, and I just said to them to write something in it. Princess, you deserve the best. So, yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to show you an overview of the items that I bought. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look out for my bonus video, which I'm going to try and put out there about my experience with Hermes, probably in about a few days' time. But yeah. So guys, these are all the items that I bought. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the comments box below. And please support my channel by giving it a thumbs up. And also support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.